Soak banana peels in water, and you'll never throw them away again. Bananas aren't just a delicious and healthy snack, they're packed with potassium, magnesium, and B vitamins. But did you know the peels are just as valuable? They're full of nutrients, antioxidants, and natural enzymes that plants love. Start by peeling a few bananas and setting the peels aside. You can eat the fruit or use it in your favorite recipes. Next, grab a large airtight container and fill it with about 1 liter of water. Place the banana peels in the water, making sure they're fully submerged. Seal the container and let it sit for 3 days. During this time, the peels will release all their beneficial nutrients into the water. Don't worry if you notice a slight fermentation smell. It's completely normal. After 3 days, remove the peels and mix the nutrient-rich liquid with an equal amount of water. Pour the mixture directly onto your potted plants or garden beds. This homemade fertilizer works wonders for both indoor and outdoor plants. Use it once a week or every 2 weeks, depending on your plant's needs. You'll notice healthier, more vibrant flowers and improved growth in no time. Give it a try and watch your plants flourish like never before. I'm making orchid compresses, and it's developing more and more buds. With each passing year, it's getting more flower stems. The secret to growing such orchids is proper care. So don't throw away the banana peels after eating a banana. They're an incredibly valuable organic fertilizer for orchids. Banana peel contains plenty of potassium, which stimulates the flowers to bloom. You can use it for orchids every 2 weeks. It will nourish the leaves, strengthen the roots, and make the orchids bloom abundantly. Even just wiping the orchid leaves with a banana peel is incredibly useful. The leaves will become shiny and have a beautiful green color because of it. This way, you'll provide them with the necessary nutrients. To encourage bud development, use banana peel in another way. Cut it into smaller pieces. Pay attention to the flower stems and where new buds and flower shoots might appear. Take a piece of banana peel and frog clips. Wrap the banana around that spot. Such a compress will deliver the necessary nutrients exactly where they're needed. It will stimulate the orchids to produce new shoots and flowers. Thanks to these regular compresses, the orchids bloom like those of the best breeders. Remove the dressing after 6 hours. That's all. Repeat the procedure after 2 weeks. Stick cloves into a banana to tackle an annoying problem naturally. Start by taking a ripe banana and peeling it. Bananas have surprising properties. They are rich in magnesium, which helps reduce stress, and vitamin C, which boosts the immune system. Next, insert about 20 cloves into the banana's flesh. Cloves are packed with anti-inflammatory properties, and their aroma serves as a natural aromatherapy. Place the prepared banana in a pot and cover it with water. Simmer on low heat for about 10 minutes. This combination has unique effects. Once cooked, strain the mixture into a glass using a sieve. Let the brew cool down before drinking. You'll be amazed at the versatile benefits of this simple homemade tea. Drink this brew about 30 minutes before bedtime. The soothing aroma of cloves promotes relaxation, and this blend is a natural remedy for combating insomnia. You'll turn him into the best fertilizer for orchids. Crush the dried piece and pour hot water over it. Use this tea to water your flowers regularly once a month. It will revitalize every orchid. Buds and blooms will multiply like never before. You won't recognize your orchids. Their flowers will be even more beautiful. All thanks to dried banana peels. After eating bananas, don't throw away their peels. Just lay them out to dry on the radiator. You can also use the preheated oven after baking or cooking dinner. This fruit will make your orchids a picture of health, their roots will be nourished, and the leaves beautifully green. This fertilizer is the simplest way to fertilize orchids. It's a vital source of essential minerals like potassium, phosphorus, and calcium. It will save every orchid. Simply divide the dried banana peels into smaller pieces. Pour hot water over a portion of dried banana peels. Close the container. After brewing, let the infusion cool. Use this banana tea to water your orchids. It's a natural remedy that orchids adore. It's full of trace elements that orchids need. They will bloom beautifully all year round. Place a candle near the bananas. They'll stay fresh longer. If you've bought a larger quantity of bananas, they often spoil too quickly. especially if you've bought a bunch of bananas but only want to eat one. This fruit is rich in potassium. It helps the body maintain a healthy heart and normal blood pressure. But bananas are one of those fruits that seem perfectly ripe one second and halfway rotten the next. So if you've noticed that your bananas are browning too quickly, it may be due to how they're stored. There's a simple way to extend their freshness. Do you happen to have a white candle at home? Just a regular candle? I'm not talking about scented candles. Plain ones will be more useful. All you need to do is light it. And wait. Place the candle next to the bananas. Wait until the wax on the candle melts. Then take the candle and place it over the bananas. Tilt it. Let the wax drip onto the bananas. Spread it on the banana stem. Just be careful not to burn yourself. You'll be surprised how well this trick works. This method will extend the lifespan of your bananas, allowing you to enjoy them for longer. Just one fruit will make orchids burst with flowers. They'll grow like crazy. Fertilizer made from the peels of this fruit is the #1 tonic for orchids. Banana peels, as we're talking about, are like the elixir of youth for orchids. When you eat bananas, you peel them. The peels you usually throw away. That's a big mistake. You can make use of banana peels, so don't throw them in the trash. Bananas and their peels contain many substances that orchids love. These include potassium, phosphorus, calcium, silicic acid, and sulfur. This makes orchids healthy, with beautiful green leaves and roots. Plenty of buds also appear on them. Simply prepare a simple fertilizer from them. But before you do that, wipe the orchid leaves with the peel. This alone will nourish the orchids. The leaves will shine. Now you can prepare the fertilizer. Cut the banana peels into smaller pieces. 1 or 2 banana peels are enough. Transfer the chopped peels to a jar. Pour in a liter of warm water and close the jar. Leave the jar for a day. The next day, strain the peels. You can now water the orchids with this water. Just feed the orchids like this once every 2 weeks. You'll forget about any problems in their cultivation. Water from banana peels is not only suitable for watering, you can also wipe the orchid leaves with it. It's a versatile fertilizer, most suitable for orchids. Anti-aging mask that will surprise you. It tones and eliminates wrinkles. Your skin becomes silky smooth because of it. This mask is extremely effective. To make it, you need bananas, or more precisely, the peel of 1 banana. It has properties that will rejuvenate your skin. Chop it finely. Put it in a pot. Add 2 tablespoons of rice. It prevents premature aging. Pour in 200 milliliters of water. Boil it all for 10 minutes. Rice with banana also brightens the complexion perfectly. Then transfer the rice with banana peel to a blender. Blend it into a smooth mixture. Transfer it to a bowl and add about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. It's perfect for discoloration and pimples. It also contains a lot of vitamin C. Add 1 tablespoon of powdered milk. It cleanses and moisturizes the skin. Also, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. It absorbs excess oil for oily skin. Mix everything thoroughly and transfer it to cream containers. Apply it to the skin and leave it on for several minutes. Tannins in banana peel tighten and tone the skin. Banana peel is an ideal cosmetic for acne-prone skin, but in combination with other ingredients, it is universal for different skin types. After using it, the skin is smooth, tight, and free of wrinkles. You can store this mask in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. However, it's best to use it regularly every day until you finish it.